Watinda uri muthenya woihwire mihango kiodorita aciari magicokia ciana ciao thukuru aria angi magitengera ndagika cia muthia kugura mafuku oro undu umwe na nguo cia thukuru. Ona kuhana ro uguo namba ya aguri yumanini ukiringithania na hau kabere, aingi a aciari aria twaraniirie nao makiuga ni marehaririirie wega ni undu wa muthi uyu.
Ramenya kurari na mathina ma campaign na gutirari na mbeca ndebangite ngari ya school fees ngari ha bengi ngaiga mbeca cia uniform ngasiga mswari gacoka riu ngebanga kila kitu.
Mwaka ucio urathirire ri ni kurari na maundu maingi ma siasa ha na haria na maundu mau ni maratumaga biashara citigathi na mbere mbeca cikaga no dithembari andu ni turahotire gu save mbeca nini cia kuhota kugura mafuku Januari.
Kuri ene duka cia wendia wa mafuku no hathara maratara kuona aciari aingi matiragurira ciana ciao mafuku makihoka ati thirikari ni kumahe mafuku wona mutaratara mweru urarugurio mathukuru-ini.
All the class 1, 2, 3 books and the baby class books are completely dead stock to us. They should have given us some time to clear off our old stocks and then go ahead and change the system. We're not saying that changing the system is bad. Changing the syllabus is bad, but they should have given booksellers ample time to clear off their stocks. That's it practically. Because you see, we bought for the entire year. We stock up for the entire year then when the school's opening. But we weren't given enough time.
Ona thengia ya arutwo gukorwo magicokereria thukuru, arutani aria twaraniirie nao maugite gucerithirio kwa mwerekera uria mabatie kuoya kwambiriria muthi wahota gucerithiria githomo mathukuru-ini.
Like this week we may not teach the lower section because what are we going to teach? Do we teach the lower, the old curriculum or the new one without the books? We cannot start our work.
We were well trained for the new curriculum, but we are still waiting for the new designs in order to teach, because that is where the content is supposed to come from.
Currently there is no syllabus. The design has not arrived as at today. And we are saying that because of the rush, we may not achieve a lot. Let us have all the facilities and teaching instructional materials in place before we roll it. We need more time.
Mathukuru-ini maingi kuria tuhotire gwikinyia arutwo aingi matinahota gwikinyia arutani magikuruhania gutira kwao na thiguku ya muthenya wa ira.
There is a very big low turn up, particularly of students in almost all schools in Kenya today. And it is because yesterday was a very, very big holiday. The first day of the year where everybody is supposed to be at home, is supposed to be at the church, is supposed to be in the mosques to pray.
Gukiri uguo thirikari ni yuritio ike mituke gutara arutani makinya maria mabatie gutacukia niguo matigabacie githomo. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, Githagathago wa Wadurwa.